Hello. Wesco try-on boots, part 2. To recap, I bought a pair of Wesco Boss engineers off the shelf, and they never fit right. I didn't realize how much different they fit, and by the time, I tried to break them in, but I ended up giving up. So I decided to send these in for a rebuild and to do the fit sheets and to size them all properly. So they sent me a pair that I just did a video for, that to see how they fit, to go through the process. And so we went over the fit. They look like they fit nice. New favorite hat. We went through the try-on sheets, he went through the try-on sheets. We did this sizing. When I first slipped them on, they seemed like they fit mostly good. Then I went and I wore them for like, I don't know, 6 hours around the house. They don't have a bottom to them, so they're a try-on, so we didn't waste time and money. But I wore them around the house like this for like 6 hours. After like maybe 4 hours, I decided that they were fitting me too tight in areas where I didn't want them to, where they shouldn't. And I went ahead and I took the liner out, the leather liner. And when I took the leather liner out, the left one was fitting about right, and the right one was still feeling tight. And from what I understand, the liner makes up about a width as far as feel and comfort and stuff. So I decided that the right one needed to be a width wider, and that the width on this one was fine, but I did still want more toe room. So I asked him to, or it was his idea, and we agreed, but he decided that he was going to build up the toe box. So it was going to make the toe box area a little bit higher, so I had more toe room, and it was going to build out the front area just a little bit wider, so not a full width, nothing with the ball, but just the toe area itself, to build that out a little bit wider. So let's see, and I'd asked him for some new liners, so we got these liners, and I needed some black laces for my work boots. So that is that. So just like last time, a quick video, but just anybody who's going through the process, and if they decide to do, I guess, the same process with everybody, I don't know if I'm special or not, but sending them out partially made so that I can try things out. So this is the second time around, sent them back, made the adjustments. I'll be trying these on and getting back on the phone with them. I'm going to assume at this point that these are going to be perfect, considering what we've gone through. Next video will be a completed project or product, and I will let everybody know, how they fit this time, whether we made any more adjustments before finishing up the boot. So exciting stuff, at least for me. Cool process. Really cool of them to send them out not once but twice. I mean, it's not actually a try-on, I guess, because it's, try-on might be like a stock pair of boots they sent out, and we didn't do that. But put them together, tried them on, put them together. I'm about to try them on again, convinced that I'm going to end up having the best fitting, most comfortable pair of boots that I have ever owned. So I am really excited, and I will see you guys for part 3.